Hello friends, in today's video, I'll show you how to check Singapore visa status by passport number. So let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser and type mService in the search bar. Then click on the first link, eServices Ministry of Manpower. Next, scroll down and click on Check Work Pass Status. After that, choose your preferred language and click Continue. Then Start. Now, in the first box, enter your date of birth. But remember, don't use dots or slashes, just spaces. Then scroll down and select Identification option, Passport Number. Enter your passport number, solve the CAPTCHA, and click Submit. After a moment, you'll see your application result. If it says Valid, that means your application has been approved. And that's it. You can check your S-Pass, Employment Pass, or Work Permit status easily using this method. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.